Welcome, here I've got iPhone 13 Pro Max and I'm gonna show you how to turn on and off the camera location tags at this device. So let's start by tapping on settings button to open them, and here we have to slide a little bit down to find privacy. Now at the first position we have location services, so let's tap on them, and here you have to make sure that you have turned this on. So if you see this type of view, you have to tap to the right button with location services to turn them on, and now we get access to the list of the apps that can use our location with the camera. So let's pick it to decide to use this. Never, ask next time, or when I share, or while using the app. You can pick whatever you need. Now let me stay on while using the app, and let's move to the camera button now to take a picture. To see it, we have to go to left to the button that follows us straight to the gallery, and this is my photo. To check its location, we have to simply slide a little bit down, and as you can see here, we can get access to more details with the map, the address. We can also tap on it to get access to the maps to check the full address and the location. And that's all. Greetings from Kraków, Poland. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.